If you need to cancel a pending transfer at Bear State Bank, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Bear State Bank online banking account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, locate the Transfers section in the main menu. This area typically lists all your recent and pending transfers. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Look for the specific transfer you wish to cancel. Pending transfers are usually marked clearly, so identify the correct transaction carefully. Step 4. Select the transfer. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Choose the option to cancel the transfer. You may be prompted to confirm your decision, so follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the cancellation. After completing these steps, your pending transfer should be successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Bear State Bank's customer service for further assistance.